Hello everyone, I hope you all are doing well. Welcome back to another YouTube video, or if you are new over here, then welcome to my YouTube channel DIY Home Decor. Today's video is gonna be about 20 rustic home decor ideas which you like it. Let's talk about the style number 1, birds of a feather. Birds are a classic motif to have around the home. We are partial to retro roosters in the kitchen and equally love sparrows, songbirds, or whatever have you as art subject for frame, portraits, and gallery walls. Style number 2, rustic Roman shade. A laid back and daintily patterned Roman shade is undeniably so sweet and serene in a humble home. Here, the seam curtain fabric is used to adorn bar stools nearby. Style number 3, leather. Whether it's a whole couch or a smaller addition here on there, leather is a rustic style concern. Stone, warm tone, brown leather is particularly hits the bull eye, but black leather can be dazzling too. Style number 4, bring back burlap. Finding a way to incorporate uber rustic materials like burlap can be a challenge, but the payoff will be well worth it. This handsome burlap light fixture is a darling centerpiece that uplifts the whole bedroom. Style number 5, hunting lodge hints. Take cues from hunting lodges to spin into details in your rustic home. Hang taxidermy trophies or artificial rustic versions and welcome in lots of warm, rich wood decor. Style number 6, dark wood finishes. Home spoon yet chic. Dark wood has the power of elevate any and every space it graces, while pallywood can be a lovely darkly stained wood is grounding and a rich when balanced with light and bright surroundings. Style number 7, textured walls. Clean and smooth walls can be stunningly sophisticated, but textured walls are infinitely more interesting. Not to mention rustic, this coral living room is very simply decorated, but owes its steam to gorgeous, abstractly textured walls. Style number 8, rustic light fixtures. From the cornices to the overhead chandelier, this guest room shines with rustic charm. Simple adjustments to light fixtures like uncomplicated shades in warm palettes and textures transform an ordinary light into one that adds to the story of the room. Style number 9, rustic bedrooms. Rustic style is hardly reserved for the main living spaces without including an abundance of furniture or elaborate decor like your might in a living room. Small spaces like bedrooms can be added with rustic elements through layering on texture, natural material, and a subtle farmhouse charm. Style number 10, decorative wooden beams. If your room doesn't already include handsome paneling or beams, there's no rule against adding them yourself. Rather than being structural, these rustic wooden ceiling beams are purely decorative. Cottage Core. Curate a home base that's warm and cozy as can be, with soft neutrals and light wood like this one. The next step is a bit of whimsy, charming woodland, animal, china art displayed. A decor is both playful and rustic. Style number 12, stone fireplace. Nothing sets a cozy mood quite like making use of the fireplace to light a calm fire and whips of smoke billowing from a chimney. With a stone fireplace, the effect is tenfold. This dreamy look is attractive whether on a floor to ceiling fireplace on a shorter one. Style number 13, pots and pans. Instead of hiding your cookware away, put it proudly on display. Copper and cast iron pots and pans are enticing as kitchen decor hung by the stove or over our kitchen island. Style number 14, cutting boards. Pretty and practical cutting boards. Wow! As decor in addition to their usual practical use, display them on your counter solo, pilled together and with other decor rather than tucking them away in a drawer. Style number 15, reclaimed wood. This rustic home idea combines multiple other ideas that we love so much. Wood is a rustic decor feature, and reclaimed wood is like the vintage version that is often decorated naturally with beautiful wear and tear from its past life. Style number 16, skirt sink. A skirt is a sweetest way to dress up in a sink in a kitchen, powder room, or a laundry room. It's a distinctly old school look that's rebounded back into style and reminiscent of a cottage of farmhouses. Style number 17, unlacquered brass. Interior design love unlacquered brass much more than its more processed cuisine. The lacquered kind thought they want that it needs some extra care beautiful. It will patina in a rustic home. However, we are embracing that imperfections. Style number 18, exposed brick. Another way to embracing the bones of your home is by showing off any and all bricks to the interior. An exposed brick all wall teeters the line between industrial and rustic, but either way it is absolutely lovely. Style number 19, whitewashed brick. Another way to show off brick in the home is to spruce it up a bit rather than completely covering it with a layer of opaque white paint. Show it a little TLC by whitewashing it with a water paint solution. Style number 20, electric charm. At Southern Living, we believe that no one is ever truly done decorating their house. Over the years, our houses become home to things we pick along that way. Display your collected treasures loud and proud for an electric and character filled utopia. Alright, so that's it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed watching. Let me know down comment below in the comments about this video. Thank you for watching. Bye. Take care.